Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Logitech G432 mic not working. As you can see, I am in the official website of Reddit. Here people provide their opinion and solution regarding this. Here you will see the solution. Please check out the below steps for the mic issue and let us know if it is fixed. First, is the issue happening on both 3.5 mm/USB connection? Try different USB ports. Then check Windows sound setting and recording device. Then use the adapter on a different USB port. Then reinstall GHub using administrator rights. Sixth, update the device firmware. Download and install Logitech GHub. Launch the software. Select the device from the home screen, then go to settings. If the firmware update is available, a blue update button would appear under the firmware version on the top right corner of the screen. Seventh, reconnect headset. 8. Connect with a USB and 3.5 mm cable. 9. Uninstall and reinstall headset driver from device manager. And in the last, try on another computer. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.